Hey guys, the long wait is over dahil FKM is introducing the newest 180cc adventure scooter in the market. At ito na nga tinatawag lang guys na FKM Venture ADV 180. So meron siyang 180cc, single overhead cam, 4 valves, liquid cooled, 13.6 kilowatt at 8,500 RPM para sa kanyang horsepower at max torque is 7.2 Nm at 6,500 RPM. Fuel injected na rin siya at syempre CVT. Then meron siyang telescopic port sa likod na dual shock absorber. Front tire size niya is 110 80 14. Rear tire naman natin is 130 70 13. At kailangan niya guys, ang brand ng tire is CST. So alam niyo yan, branded na talaga at sigurado makapit. Tapos guys, front brake and rear brake is dual channel ABS na rin, kaya yun ang kinaganda yan. Talagang ang ganda ng specs. At meron siyang seat height na 79 cm, ground clearance na 8.5 cm, at meron siyang timbang na 137 kg, at meron siyang fuel capacity na 10 liters. Tapos meron din siyang malaking compartment box under your seat. So yun. At all LED lights nga pala siya guys. At kinaganito guys, meron pa siyang mga special features like LED projector headlights, fully digital TFT panel display, yung buttons niya is meron backlight, tapos built-in front camera as dashcam, keyless with push button guys, then yung dual and front rear ABS equipped with TCS guys, may traction control na. Then meron na rin siyang dual gas charge, shock absorber na tawag ng baso. Tapos meron siyang spacious seat under compartment, at meron siyang built-in grab bar para pag magta-top box ka. All in all guys, lahat ng specs na yan pinagsama-sama para lang sa presyong 178,000 pesos at available sa black, white at gray. Yun kinaganda guys. Tapos yung nga niya, yung magsa spoke rim set guys, yung may rayos, kita yung sa picture. Ang ganda, kita sa video. Sobrang sulit. Kaya guys, maraming salamat sa FECON FKM sa pagdala dito ng Venture ADV 180. So, papahuli ka pa ba? Let's go!